This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Undo the screws and remove the side light from the headlight panel, disconnecting the wiring plug as the side light is withdrawn. Repeat this procedure on the directional indicator. Undo the two screws and remove the headlight surround panel. The headlight rim is secured by two screws. Slacken the screw in the 9 o'clock position. Remove the screw in the 3 o'clock position, then maneuver the headlight from place. Pull the wiring plug from the rear of the headlight. Peel away the rubber boot, then spread apart the retaining clip and remove the bulb. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, locate the new bulb into the reflector. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Refit the retaining clip and secure its ends in the catches. Press the rubber boot into place, then push the wiring plug onto the bulb terminals. Locate the headlight in the housing, ensuring the rim engages correctly with the retaining screw in the 9 o'clock position. Then refit the remaining screw and tighten them both securely. Refit the surround panel and tighten the retaining screws. Reconnect the wiring plugs to the side light and directional indicators. Position them in the surround panel and tighten the screws securely. Check the lights function correctly before venturing out onto the road.